What do you think happened, guys?
It's a impostor.
Oh, we heard a shooting incident, or then our reporter Sam got shot by a male by a male gunner or killer.
Okay. So we all heard that, right? How many
Me too, I hear.
was fired?
I think more three or four. Two, right?
If I remember, I'd say it was 3 to 4 gunshots.
I'd say the same.
Okay.
3 to 4 bullets.
We have to investigate something.
I saw Sam Scoop leave a message on the chat.
And then he said that it's a male.
Male.
The killer is male.
So the killer is one of us in this reunion.
Reporter Sam said something about the autocorrect or something.
The autocorrect. He was about to send. I heard that if there's information, send an email. The email is maybe we should check on it. Is it like Gmail or mail? Gmail.
Let's see if we should check
the Gmail.
Okay. So the first team challenge is log on to the email of reporter Sam Scoop. To log on, each of you have to send it to me privately as the moderator. Put his username and his password, which is 9 characters. If you guess it correctly, then you'll have access to the email of Sam Scoop. You can start guessing now. Remember, all the clues are there.
Where can I type the email? Nine characters, right?
You can type it on the chat box. You just send it to me privately. Thank you for the effort, Danny Dean. But still, the password you submitted is not the right one.
Mag-unmute mo.
2 hours later.
You can talk to each other. Don't worry. You can talk to each other. Help each other.
3 hours later.
Because you're doing this as a team. What can you remember about what Sam Scoop said about himself? What can you remember
the name of his son, his child, only child?
Wait. Oh yeah, wait.
No, it's Piolo.
Piolo. It must be 9 characters.
Only Piolo.
I think Piolo was just 5 letters. I don't know.
9 characters. 9 characters.
And if one of you gets it correctly, then you have access. I think he said something about he does for a living.
Reporter.
He's a reporter.
So REPORTER. It's 9 characters.
Oh, one more. One more character.
One more character. How about his work? How about what happened to him? Any guess? Thank you for your attempt at answering, Principal Prime, but unfortunately, it is not the correct password. So Principal Prime added an S to reporter to make it 9 characters, but that's a good try.
Eventually,
So I have several entries here already. Danny Dean has a question. Try to answer your question, Danny Dean. You are going in the right direction. Bill Wiseman, our brains, our valedictorian, suggested a password. So that should be 9 characters, right? Let me count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10 characters. And then class president. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 characters. But unfortunately, this is wrong. Another one from, you are almost correct. Mr. Heartthrob, of the 9 characters, your 5 characters are correct.
Chris Crush, what is your 5 characters?
Mr. Heartthrob, please share with everybody. You can.
What are your five characters? Chris Crush.
Okay, send it to everyone, Mr. Rob, so
Alright,
that
I'll send it to all of you.
Correct man day ito. Wait.
We need 4.
We need 4 more.
We need 4.
What's son's name lagi?
recall what Sam
I blanked.
when he was introducing his son. Thank you for trying it, Principal Prime and valedictorian Will. The answer of Principal Prime is now 7 characters correct. You just need to change and rearrange some of the letters. Good job, class president! Share your answer, Mr. Class President.
The password is Papa Piolo.
Do you remember Sam Scoop saying, "This is my son, Papa Piolo"? Piolo.
I only hear Piolo lang.
His name is Papa Piolo. His name is Piolo.
So you were able to overcome team challenge number 1.
Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah, congratulations, team. And now you will be able to have access to the email of Mr. Sam Scoop. Please click on the link or download that file.